From fancy bags to shiny notebooks, we've got some adorable birthday gifts that your friends are gonna love. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, like our video, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our newest crafts. Let's get crafty. Clutch. It's super easy to turn this pencil case into a gorgeous clutch purse. First, you're gonna need glue. Lots of glue. Squirt it on and use a paintbrush to spread it evenly. You know how we feel about glitter. You can never have too much. Now, with your hot glue gun, draw half a heart and stick some jewels on. Then, do the other half. Fill the inside of the heart with hot glue and sprinkle your favorite beads onto the glue. Add some multicolored pearls in the center. Use a pair of tweezers to push them down into the glue. Add some sequins ribbon to the outside of the heart. Then glue a decorative rope around the whole thing. Bring the rope design around the back too. Fill it in with glue and more beads. For the zipper, cut a piece of that sequins ribbon and glue it onto the zipper. You just took this pencil case to sophisticated clutch. Way to go! Shoe candy box. Looking for a cool way to give your bestie some candy? Give this a try. Trace out a high heel onto a piece of cardboard. Cut the outline onto 2 pieces of cardboard. Then stick a piece of double-sided tape to the center of one of the cardboard pieces. Cut a few pieces of wire to fit the length of the tape and stick them in place. Tape the wire down with clear tape. Now you can bend the cardboard like a high heel shoe. Glue the second piece of cardboard on top. Then, glue on a piece of glitter paper to one side and cut away the extra paper. Glue some red tissue paper to the other side and trim away the excess. Glue some sparkly gold ribbon around the outside of the shoe and bend the whole thing into the shape of a high heel. We're gonna need a heel. Find a cute straw like this one and snip it to fit. Then glue it into place. Grab some red organza fabric and bunch it together to look like a pretty flower. Tie it together with some gold string and glue it to the toe of the shoe. Add a lovely little red bow at the back. Then place your candies into the organza. Glue on a few parts for a finishing touch. Chocolate and shoes are the way to any girl's heart. Candle holder. You guys aren't going to believe how easy this one is to make. All you need is a bag of multicolored rocks from the craft store, a glass votive candle holder, and some hot glue. Start gluing and gluing and gluing until the whole thing is covered in decorative rocks. Drop your candle in and light it, and watch your rocks glow. Bracelet. Grab some red string, a strand of metal beads, and a bangle bracelet. Carefully glue the beads all the way around the bracelet. After the glue dries, wrap your string around each of the beads a couple of times. Do this all the way around until it looks like this. It's so elegant it can be worn alone or with a few friends. Cupcake soap. First, cut up some clear glycerine soap base. You'll want to melt it in a double boiler. Make it smell nice with some essential oils and stir in some soap dye. Pour the mixture into a candy mold and let it set. Melt some more soap base and add a different color soap dye. It's important to spray your mold with rubbing alcohol so the soap doesn't bubble. Pour in your first color, then spritz again with rubbing alcohol. Then make your second layer. Same process, oil and a different color dye. Pour it over the first layer after it is cooled and hardened. Spritz again with rubbing alcohol. Next, pop out your little soap molds and cut a couple thin pieces of green soap to make some fancy leaves. Just roll them up. Place the berries and leaves onto the top layer of your cupcake. And let it cool. You'll have to convince your friends this is soap and not a yummy treat. Looks delicious! Bath bomb. Treat your friends to the spa experience with a homemade bath bomb. Get your ingredients ready. Then mix together a few spoonfuls of dry milk, a few spoonfuls of sea salt, a tablespoon of citric acid. Stir the dry ingredients together. Then add some essential oils like lavender. Drizzle in a spoonful of olive oil and mix until it takes on this sandy texture. Separate the mixture into 3 bowls. Add dried food coloring using 3 different colors, 1 for each bowl. Stir it up. Now, put the bath salt into this bath bomb ball, layering each color. Close it up and wrap it with some cellophane and a piece of string. That's it! Ice cream gift box. Make your present look super tasty by putting it in an ice cream cone. First, roll up a piece of construction paper into this cone shape. Use double-sided tape to secure it. Cut off the point at the top. Next, fold a piece of pretty tissue paper into an accordion fold, like this. Roll out one end of the paper and unfold. Staple the tissue paper design onto the cone. Now, staple a second layer of tissue paper around the opening of the cone. Pull the tissue paper up over the top and scrunch it up at the top. Embellish your ice cream with sprinkles or sparkles. Use whatever you like. Place your gift inside and tie at the top with a ribbon. Decorate the cone with some pretty tape. Voila! Epic present wrapping status obtained. Fur bag. This is one of our favorites. Come on, pencil bag, time to get fancy. Snip. A gold chain works great as an elegant purse strap. Now, glue on some furry fabric. Fold in the sides and glue some more. Hey, feathers! We love this red, black, and white combo. Add some rhinestones for fun. And put a key ring on the zipper. Isn't this bag gorgeous? Sequin notebook. We've been seeing this magic sequin look everywhere. So why not add it to a notebook? Take a plain journal notebook and glue your magic sequin fabric to the inside of the cover. That's really all there is to it. Happy birthday! Gift box. You can turn a cardboard toilet paper roll into a fancy gift box. Check it out. Fold in the ends of the roll, like this. Glue a wide piece of ribbon around the middle. Then add a thinner strip of printed ribbon in the center. Put your gift inside and tie it up with string. So cute! Birthday card. Grab a pack of multicolored tissue paper. Stack the different colors together. Then staple the side. Now cut a half circle out of the tissue papers. fold a piece of white paper inside a larger piece of construction paper. Mark a spot 3/4 of the way down on the white paper and cut a small slit in the center. Bend the bottom the opposite direction. Use a ruler to fold clean lines into the paper. Now, glue the white paper inside the construction paper, like this. Then, glue a small strip of paper in the little opening you made. Snip the center of the little strip. Now that you've got your balloon basket, let's add a balloon. Glue the tissue paper balloon you made earlier just above the basket inside the card. Draw in some more balloons with a marker. Add balloon strings and confetti. Write a personal message to complete the card. This will make anyone's day brighter. Envelopes full of wishes. These little envelopes are super fun to make. Just cut a heart out of a piece of construction paper. Fold the sides in and fold the top of the heart toward the center. The point of the heart makes an envelope flap. Make several different colors. Glue the envelopes onto a piece of poster board. We're now going to turn this head of lettuce into a floral stamp. Observe, chop, brush a little paint on, and stamp. All that's left is to add your sweet little messages and stuff them in the envelopes. Yay! Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later!